Nercon sanitary conveyors are developed for food safety, inspection, and sanitation. Our no fasteners and toolless disassembly cut time and complication out of sanitation practices. The Sanitary Z incline and flat belt conveyor handle loose, bulk wrapped, or unwrapped products. Nercon's washdown spiral is designed to withstand daily hygienic, clean-in-place processes, making it ideal for dairy applications. The washdown spiral has a smaller footprint and higher throughput for capacity to move several product types while conserving valuable floor space. Nercon's low-profile belt conveyors are available in standard widths of 6, 12, 18, and 24 inches with a maximum length of 15 feet. A low-profile belt conveyor design features a compact frame, allowing the conveyor to fit in tight spaces that move a variety of product shapes and sizes. To learn more, visit our website at nerconconveyors.com.